Hi fam and welcome back to our YouTube channel Maputo Malu. Today we are visiting London and right now we are in the O2. Leah, how's your experience till now?
Till now it's going on good. Let's see what happens next.
And what you see in front of me is the, I don't know what is this. Okay, and we got a huge building right in front. Right after that you have some dining area where the people are eating in the heaven or somewhat, and that's the O2. So I'll take you around. So fam, we have seen the O2. I was not able to explain over there, but it was pretty good. Leah, how was your experience over there?
It was really good. There are lots of brands shops available over there. We went to Nike store and many other few stores. It was good.
Yeah, but it was slightly expensive. Nike was fine, but the rest of the shops were like slightly expensive, and we were not able to record over there as well. So now we are heading towards the cable car. Let's see what happens over there. Hey Leah, are you excited?
Yes, very much excited. For the first time I'm trying this cable car.
So there you go. I'm very much excited because like I have seen a couple of videos like people doing this, and I always wanted to do that, and right now I got a chance, so it's over there. And I have to head to East Ham to meet Yaku, but I don't know, after getting out down like which side I have to go, I'll have to check again. But it's pretty much exciting, right?
Yeah.
So this is how it works. People just get in. We are just two, so we'll have to squeeze in some other people as well, I guess. I suppose we are the only ones in this. I believe like no one else join us. So this is how it is. Whoa. Yeah, how's it? Yeah, that's all, just V2. Oh. So that's the Thames River, I guess. Not I guess, I'm pretty sure about that. And yeah, now it's sunny. As you can see, there's a line going over there. And there's something behind us. So fam! Here we are in the cable car. And as you can see, there's a lot of vehicles going on. Cable cars going on. And the Uber boat is from there. So it's the side over there. And this is how it goes. And what you see is the Thames. You see, end of our journey. Finally we are here. They'll just make us come out. How was it, Leah?
Good.
How was it, Leah? How was your experience?
It was good, but too short. I just loved it.
Hardly like 2 minutes or something, right?
That's it.
Pretty good, but so we had tapped in over there. Now you have to tap out. So it's 5 pence one way, and it was pretty good journey. So only hardly 2 or 3 minutes. So it's not that worth, but yeah, we can have this one. The view, everything is spectacular, but the problem is just 2 or 3 minutes. That's it. Yeah, he's all busy seeing the maps because we don't understand the tube system over here. There our train is. all this pain just to have the food, Indian food. I don't get the vibe that I'm staying in UK right now, because like, just like India, mini India or mini Asia, you can say. The people, the shops, everything what you see around is something like that. So fam, this is what we were traveled a lot. Hi, so fam, this is Yakub. Hi Yakub.
Yeah,
How's the food?
food is amazing. So we just had the dosa now.
Yeah, that's dosa, that's dosa, and I had the meals, and that's appam. The food is over. What was this?
Naktoli fry.
Naktoli fry. Family is still having in my plate meals. Yeah, when I was having meals, it was pretty good. If you want to have some Kerala food, you should definitely come over here. So fam, we are having the food from here. It was pretty good. The food is like amazing. Plates are empty. Yeah. How's your response?
It was good after a long time having a Kerala meal.
That's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Yakub, how was your first experience? Is this your first experience?
Yes.
Yeah.
It was very, very good, very, very delicious. The best part, chilling with Gigi.
Thank you. So we really loved your company, because like Five Bristol, like we were not able to see, and we really appreciate like you came from there first. So thank you, Yakub.
No, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Bye. See you. Bye. Take care.
We are heading to the London Eye. I always wanted to go there. Last time when we came to the Hyde Park at the time in December, also we were not able to go. So this time, like hopefully we are going there, and like all excited. Yakub helped me out. So I was planning to get down at the embankment, and he told me no, get down over here. So that's pretty good, as you can see. That's where we are going. So fam, that's the most awaited London Eye. I'll have to get some other video, from some other place, so it looks more cool. So fam, that's the Big Ben. It's 4:05. Got a lot of souvenirs over here. So fam, what you see behind me is the London Eye. Leah, how are you feeling now?
Feels really good. I've seen in movies and everywhere, and seeing it live, it really feels good.
Yeah, like whenever they show London, this is the first thing they show in any of the movies, and that's right in front of my eyes right now. So much excited, and this is a place where you get the boats to the Tower Bridge and all those things. So fam, I present you the world famous Piccadilly Circus.
Back to the sound.
So fam, after Piccadilly Circus, we are heading to the Chinatown. Right in front of me. So from right in front I can see a hot buffet. The price also cheaper comparatively, and there's a line over there. So this is the Chinatown. It's very much crowded, and the stores are that side. So right after that I have come to M&M over here, but it's like there's a huge queue over there, and right in front we have the Lego, and there's a huge queue there as well. So I don't want to waste my time, but so fam, we have been walking for long because we wanted to come over here, the Kati roll, and we just wanted to try. Mia is already in, so I'll just get in and I'll show. She has ordered, she has got the delivery. When I was sitting over there, I just came out to shoot. So this is the vibe what they sell. And so fam, we went to the Kati roll. It was not as we expected. Normally I used to give good ratings for the restaurant and the places where I visit, but this is not up to the mark because I have ate the Kati roll and I know how the Kati roll or the Kolkata roll tastes like, but it was not up to the mark. Just fine, that's it. So fam, that was our London trip. I hope you liked this video. I didn't do the sign off, so if you like my video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. Mabuto Mallu.